Let me take you on a journey to one of Mexico's most enchanting destinations, where luxury meets authentic Mexican culture in ways that will absolutely blow your mind. Rosewood San Miguel de Allende opened its doors in late 2017 and has since become the crown jewel of this UNESCO World Heritage City. This 5-star boutique property doesn't just offer a place to stay. It offers an immersive experience that captures the very soul of colonial Mexico while pampering you with world-class amenities. What sets this place apart from your typical luxury hotel is how seamlessly it blends into the historic fabric of San Miguel de Allende. The architects didn't just plop down a modern building and call it a day. Instead, they crafted something that feels like it has been part of this magical city for centuries, complete with handcrafted decor, colorful talavera tiles, and lush gardens that make you feel like you have stepped into a living piece of Mexican art. The property embraces the vibrant artistic spirit of San Miguel while delivering the kind of personalized service that makes Rosewood hotels famous worldwide. Every corner tells a story. Every detail has been carefully curated to reflect the rich cultural heritage of this remarkable destination. When it comes to accommodations, Rosewood San Miguel de Allende offers a range of options that cater to different needs and budgets, though let's be honest, none of them are exactly budget-friendly. The deluxe rooms start at around 45 square meters and feature either king or twin beds, marble bathrooms with soaking tubs, and those gorgeous hand-painted talavera tiles that instantly transport you to Old Mexico. These rooms offer garden or city views, and trust me, waking up to cobblestone streets and colonial architecture never gets old. Step up to the premier rooms, and you get about 10 square meters more space, plus enhanced bathroom amenities and panoramic cityscape views that often include the iconic Parroquia Church Dome. Some of these rooms even come with balcony access, perfect for your morning coffee while watching the city come to life. The workspace and lounge chair make these ideal for longer stays, or if you absolutely must check those emails. For those wanting more space or traveling with family, the one-bedroom suites offer around 85 square meters of pure luxury. These feature separate living and dining areas, kitchenette facilities, and walk-in closets that would make any fashionista jealous. The 2-bedroom suites are perfect for groups or families, offering over 130 square meters of space with multiple bathrooms and premium furnishings throughout. Pricing varies dramatically by season, with low season rates starting around $400 to $700 per night for standard rooms, while high season and holidays can push suite prices well over $1,200. The rooms blend rustic textures like exposed beams with luxurious fabrics in vibrant Mexican colors, creating spaces that feel both authentic and indulgent. The dining scene at Rosewood San Miguel de Allende is nothing short of spectacular, and it starts with Casa Blanca Restaurant, their signature dining establishment. This upscale venue focuses on authentic Mexican flavors using locally sourced ingredients, but they elevate everything with contemporary culinary techniques that would impress even the most demanding food critics. The duck carnitas tacos are legendary, and during the right season, you can enjoy chili en nogada, a dish that represents the colors of the Mexican flag and tastes like heaven on a plate. What makes Casa Blanca special is their commitment to handmade everything, from tortillas made fresh daily to mole sauces that follow traditional recipes from Oaxaca. The restaurant operates from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. daily, with weekend brunch service that locals and guests fight over. Smart casual dress is recommended for dinner service, which makes sense given the upscale ambience and the fact that you are essentially dining in a work of art. Then there's Bar La Zadi, the rooftop bar that offers panoramic views over historic downtown paired with craft cocktails that showcase Mexico's incredible spirits heritage. The mezcal flights here are educational and delicious, letting you taste the complexity of this ancient spirit while watching the sun set over colonial spires. The guacamole sampler plates and ceviche varieties perfectly complement the drinks, and the atmosphere transforms from laid-back afternoon hangout to sophisticated evening destination. The poolside cafe rounds out the dining options with casual fare perfect for those lazy pool days. Think refreshing salads, wraps, and smoothies that hit the spot when you want something light and healthy. The service extends right to your lounger, so you never have to leave your spot in paradise. Speaking of the pool, Rosewood features one main outdoor infinity edge pool that overlooks beautifully landscaped garden courtyards. This is not just any pool, it is a work of art in itself, surrounded by lush landscaping that reflects the local flora and creates a sense of tropical paradise in the heart of colonial Mexico. The infinity edge creates the illusion that the water extends seamlessly into the gardens beyond, making for some seriously Instagram-worthy moments. The pool area includes comfortable cabanas available for rent, providing shade and privacy for those who prefer a more exclusive experience. Swim-up beverage service is occasionally provided, though this seems to be more of a special occasion thing rather than a daily service. The pool operates from sunrise to sunset year-round, except for occasional maintenance days that are announced well in advance. What makes the pool experience special is the attention to detail in the surrounding area. The loungers are comfortable, the umbrellas provide adequate shade, and the overall atmosphere feels more like a private estate than a hotel pool. The staff ensures you never have to worry about towels, drinks, or snacks, making it easy to spend entire days lounging poolside. Since Rosewood San Miguel de Allende is located inland in the heart of this historic city, there is no beach access. However, this is actually part of the charm, as you are steps away from one of Mexico's most beautiful colonial centers, rather than isolated on some distant beach resort. The spa and wellness facilities at Rosewood San Miguel de Allende deserve their own love letter. This full-service spa offers everything from Swedish and deep tissue massages to facials using organic products inspired by indigenous plants and herbs. The body scrubs and wraps incorporate volcanic clay and minerals native to the region, creating treatments that feel authentically connected to the local landscape. The signature treatment that sets this spa apart is the Temazcal ritual, a steam ceremony that combines ancient healing traditions unique to Mexico's wellness culture. This is not just a spa treatment, it is a spiritual journey that connects you to thousands of years of indigenous wisdom. The experience takes place in a traditional sweat lodge and is guided by practitioners who understand the deep cultural significance of this ancient ritual. The spa facilities include sauna, steam room, private treatment rooms, and relaxation lounges decorated in calming earth tones that help you disconnect from the outside world. Operating hours typically run from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m., and advance reservations are essential, especially during peak travel seasons. The booking process is straightforward, either through their website before arrival or by contacting the front desk once you are on property. The fitness center complements the spa with modern cardio machines, including treadmills and bikes, free weights, multi-use resistance equipment, yoga mats, and dedicated stretching zones. Personal training sessions and classes can be arranged upon request, though there is no fixed class schedule published. This flexibility allows for more personalized fitness experiences tailored to individual guest needs and preferences. While Rosewood San Miguel de Allende does not have a traditional kids club with fixed daily programming, they excel at creating customized arrangements for families traveling with children. The boutique scale of the property allows for more personalized attention to families, with staff able to arrange special activities and experiences tailored to children's ages and interests. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.